Hola chicas, we're just gonna have a look at hope you're all keeping well. I just thought we're gonna have a look at the last couple of capítulos, last couple of chapters in your textbook. We're just gonna try and get through these in the next couple of weeks, okay? So we're just gonna start off in chapter 9, ¿Qué te pasa? I don't think any of you had this covered from chatting to your otros profesores, the other teachers. So vamos a mirar aquí, ¿Qué te pasa? What happened to you? Okay? What's wrong with you? Okay. So in this chapter here, so zoom in a wee bit. Okay, we're looking, I suppose, here at partes del cuerpo, how to say something that hurts, how to talk about being ill, and how to give advice for a healthy life. Okay, so we're just looking at this que te pasa. Okay, so the first thing we got here is las partes del cuerpo. So las partes del cuerpo is parts of your body. Okay, the first one we've got here is la cabeza, so that's your head. Then we've got el ojo, the eye. You know that from first year Spanish, tengo los ojos. Then we got la nariz, the nose. We've got la oreja, the ear. Los dientes, the teeth. Okay. Then we've got el cuello, your neck. Then we've got la garganta, is your throat. Sorry, la muela is like your teeth. Sorry, I forgot missed that one. La muela is like your teeth. Okay, los dientes your teeth. But I suppose more molars. Okay, but still it can be used as teeth. Okay, but we know los dientes. Okay, so that's all the ones on the chica. Then we've got here in el chico, we've got la cara, the face, la boca, the mouth. Okay, then then we have, if you here in el espejo in the mirror, we've got la espalda. We've got el brazo, the arm. El pecho, the chest. El estómago, your stomach. El hombro, then, so we know hombre, H-O-M-B-R-E, is like a man. If you swap that E for no, you've got hombro, the shoulder. El codo is your elbow. La muñeca is your wrist. La mano is your hand. And then el dedo is your fingers, okay? Then you've got la rodilla, your knee. La pierna is like your leg, so your actual leg. Then you got el tobillo is your ankle. El dedo de pie. So we know dedo here is your finger. Dedo de pie means literally translates as finger off your foot. Okay, so it's your toe. And el pie is your actual foot. Okay. Sorry, I missed this one here. La cintura, here's your waist. Okay, cinturón is like a belt. La cintura is your waist. Okay, so that's your parts of the body. Okay. It's just, if you could just maybe make a note of those into your copies. Okay. And your title is Las Puertas del Cuerpo, parts of the body. So that's just, you're going to put that in as your title. Okay. I just want you to make note of that vocabulary. All right. Es vocabulary muy importante. It's really important vocab, but you see a lot of these actually when you go into Leaving Cert, okay? Especially in some of the role plays, so it's something for you to think about, okay? What I'm going to get you to think about doing then is, I'm going to send you out like this. I'm going to send you this out here, so I want you just maybe to match these up, okay? Match these up. I'll put this as a like a little assignment. I'll copy and paste this out of here, and I'll put it into a Word document, and then you can maybe just match them up. Okay, you're gonna have to look up some of those. Okay, just look up some of them, and you're gonna put them in. Is that okay? So you can just fill them in. I'll send this out as a Google Doc, and you can just fill it in underneath below. Is that okay? Perfect. So hasta pronto, chicas. So you just put the vocab I just was going through there to start into your copies, and then I want you to just match those up. Is that okay? Gracias, chicas.